Evan, I'm concerned about Mr. Paul's progress in physiotherapy. He seems to be struggling with the exercises, and his mobility hasn't improved significantly.
That's interesting. Have you tried adjusting the exercises or using different techniques, Mihira?
Yes, we've tried various approaches, but he's still having difficulty. I'm wondering if there might be an underlying issue affecting his recovery.
Perhaps we should consult with a neurologist to rule out any neurological factors. Sometimes, underlying conditions can hinder rehabilitation progress.
That's a good idea. I'll schedule a referral. In the meantime, we could try incorporating occupational therapy techniques to address any functional limitations.
That's a great suggestion. Occupational therapy can help with activities of daily living and improve overall independence.
We should also consider the patient's motivation and emotional state. Sometimes, psychological factors can impact rehabilitation outcomes.
Absolutely, Mihira. We can involve a social worker to provide emotional support and address any underlying issues. Dealing with mouth ulcers can be incredibly uncomfortable, Mihira, making even simple things like speaking or enjoying a meal feel like a chore. While these little sores are frustrating, there are several gentle ways you can soothe the pain right at home. Keeping your mouth clean and hydrated is a wonderful first step, so switching to a soft bristled toothbrush and brushing very carefully will prevent extra irritation. Regularly rinsing your mouth with a warm saline solution, just a teaspoon of salt dissolved in warm water, can also work wonders to cleanse the area and speed up healing. It is equally important to drink plenty of water throughout the day and steer clear of spicy, acidic, or crunchy foods that might aggravate the soreness. If the ulcers are particularly stubborn or making it tough to manage, a doctor can offer targeted treatments to bring you relief. They might recommend a soothing antiseptic gel to protect the sores, prescribe a topical steroid mouthwash to calm the inflammation, or suggest specific pain medications to make you much more comfortable while your body heals.